Knowing I'm on the street where you live, are there lilac trees in the heart of town? Can you hear a lark in any other part of town? Does it gently pour out of every door? No, it's just on the street where you live. I know the towering feeling, just to know somehow you are near. The overpowering feeling that any second you may suddenly appear. Stop and stare, they don't bother me, for there's no place here on earth that I would rather be. Let the time go by, I don't care if I can be here on the street where you live. I know the towering fear